Hello viewers, I have still gas string trimmer. Its cutting head is keep coming off. It is very easy fix and I will guide you step by step and you can fix it less than $2. Sometimes it doesn't require to put a new part, old part can be repairable. To repair the cutting head, remove all the parts from the cutting head. First of all, I'm removing the knob. Knob is removed. Now I took out the adapter bolt. Now take the Allen key and remove this part. Remove the clamp. I will use the Allen key to remove this clamp. Next part, I'm removing shaft head. For removing this part, I'm using straight jaw plier. Part is made up of aluminum. If I put a lot of force, I may damage the part. I will slowly pull it out. It may take some time. Shaft came out little bit. I turn out the pliers and remove the shaft. Head was coming off because the O-ring is loose. Sometimes you can find the O-ring when you take out the shaft, or sometimes the O-ring stuck inside. So if you cannot find it attached with the shaft, make sure it is inside and remove it. O-ring condition is not really bad. I can still use the old one. But if you have a little bit doubt, do not use the old one. Just get a new one. You will get it less than a $2. You can buy it from Home Depot or Lowe's, or even you can get it from Amazon as well. I am putting everything back as I took it out. Follow the same step. Finally, I place the O-ring on the top and press it down with the nose plier. Now I'm pressing the O-ring from the sides as well because this is the old one. But if I'm using the new one, I don't need to press it from the side. Now I am reinstalling everything back, taking out this cable. It will go inside the adapter bolt. There is a screw thread here. Align it with this hole. If you have grease, apply some grease on the bolt as well. Make sure thread and hole is aligned. Now put the clamp on the top and screw it. Place the safety part back and then secure it with the bolt and nut. Put back the last part cutting head and it will be ready to use again. I will start the trimmer. If this video helped you, give a like to the video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.